Hey, welcome back. This is Defender Chassis. My name's Scott. And today's project, we had a friend of the shop come in and ask for a favor. And what we've got is their race trailer. The rear gate had this style of a rubber bumper on it. And they're putting a set of Dragster ramps, a longer set of ramps on it. And so they need that rear gate to be a little higher. And so the Dragster ramps came with these adjustable feet to replace these rubber bumpers, which obviously will get them the extra height that they need. The problem is that these rubber bumpers had 2-bolt mounting pattern, and these standoffs also had 2 bolts, but they were different distance apart. So what we've been asked to do is, for the aesthetics of the trailer, so that you can't see where these were mounted, is to cut another piece of 1/4-inch plate the same size as the base of this rubber block and replicate this 2-hole pattern in it, knock the tops of these off, and weld that plate on. So what we did, we sourced a piece of 1/4-inch 6061 aluminum plate. We're going to use this to remake these plates to match that pattern. The sequence of operations will be, we'll go to the bandsaw, we'll knock a hunk of this off, and then we'll split it up into the right size pieces. We'll then dress the edges of those pieces on the belt sander. We'll gang those 3 together, tack weld them at the corners, and then we'll drill the 2-bolt pattern. We'll then round the corners on the disc grinder, and that will take the tack welds off. We'll have 3 pieces again, and then we'll cut this plate off and place it on the new aluminum plates and weld it on, and that'll be it. Shouldn't take too long. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna get on the bandsaw and get this chopped up. So let's go over there. I want to talk for a minute on how we are going to get these square on here and keep them square while we weld them. Now, it's not, of uber importance that these are, within, a half a minute of a degree, but, we don't want them all out of shape and looking terrible. So, like we just showed you, I scribed the line to show the outline of where these are going to go. What we're going to do, we're going to use this angle plate and This angle plate will get us so that this tube is vertical to the table, and I'm going to use this square so that it gets me this way, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a little more tension on this anyway. And then all we'll have to do is place this underneath it here. We can start tacking. Now, of course, when we raise this up, it's going to tilt the back, so we'll just use a scrap piece of the same aluminum on the back side to make sure that we maintain that same level. So, nothing left to do but to go ahead and get these things welded, so I'll see you when we're done. Hey, so here we are all finished up. Everything turned out pretty well. Customer's on the way to come pick these up. So, hey, listen, if you liked the video, don't forget, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next project. Thanks for watching.